Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if your left click is not working properly on your Windows computer. If you are unable to left click, let's fix it guys. You just need to press in keyboard Windows icon key to open up a search menu, and now you just need to press in keyboard tab key and it will be move on to the search field. You just need to search for mouse settings, and the same way you just need to press in keyboard, press enter, and it will be opens up mouse settings. So you should see primary mouse button over here. Try right click on it, and so you accidentally swapped your primary mouse button, so you go ahead and try left click on it or right click on that and then switch it to the correct one. So left is typically the primary mouse button, so just select that. So that's the first thing I recommend trying there. If this doesn't help you, then you just need to press Windows key another time to open up search menu and press in keyboard tab key to go to search field, and now you just need to search for CMD. Now you just need to press side arrow key to come this side, right side, and now you just need to select the run as administrator and press enter. And now you just need to use the side arrow key to select yes. And now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. You just need to copy this by Ctrl C, press in keyboard Ctrl C to copy it, and you just need to paste it in here, Ctrl V, press enter. This is file checking utility scan guys. This will help you to fix corrupted files in your computer. Sometimes corrupted files can block you left clicking. After finishing this verification complete, you just need to copy the second command and paste it in the same way. And after finishing the second command, you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, hopefully your issue has been resolved guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.